Hello everyone, how are you? I'm Miss Ayla. Today we are going to talk about the first lesson for grade 4, the adaptation, as I promised you. As you can see here, the penguin says hello. So say to it hello. Hello penguin. Let's start. Okay, as you can see here, 2 seasons, summer and winter. Now I wanted to classify these photos in right to summer or winter. Yes, I can eat ice cream in summer. Okay. I wear wool hat in winter. I wear jacket in winter. I use swimming floats in summer when I swim. I can wear hat in the summer to prevent the sunlight, as we can using sunblock. I can wear gloves in winter. So as human does actions in the summer or in the winter to be alive. As we can see here, the human does actions in the summer or in the winter. This action to be alive, that we can call it adaptation. Adaptation and survival. Any living organism in our life do actions or have structure in themselves to be alive, to make adaptation in an environment. Objective. Name the type of environment. What is this type? Identify adaptation. Classify the animals according to their environment. There are many types of environment. What is this type? Yes, deserts. And in this environment, we can see some living organisms, and we explain how do living organism adaptation in this environment. Another environment, yes, sea. And another environment, Antarctic region, very cold area. Every living organism has its own way to protect itself so it can survive in its environment. Has a way. Penguin has a way. Polar bear has a way. Anything has a way to protect itself in environment. Okay, as we can see here, 1 polar bear, lizard, and penguin. Which animal you wanna to start? Polar bear, penguin, lizard. I choose polar bear. Polar bear. Okay, as we can see here, polar bear, it lives in the Arctic region, low temperature, and we can see snow everywhere. Okay, thick fur to keep it warm. Okay, white fur to hide in snow to catch their prey. Another animal I wanna choose is start angler or lizard. It lives in desert, high temperature. The high temperature. It keeps close by looking for shaded area. Keeps himself close when he looking for shaded area as human, looking for shaded area when the weather is summer. Okay, the last one is penguins. I wanna ask you a question. Where do penguins live? They live in Antarctica, that is one of the most coldest on the earth. We can see it in the under of the world, coldest place on the earth. Penguin has an insulting layers of thick feathers. Penguin has an insulting layers of thick feathers, and fat, which keep it warm. Insulting layers, thick, not thin. Feathers and fat to keep it warm, because he lived in Antarctica, the coldest place on the earth. It has no feathers in its feet, but it can stand around on the snow all day. Why? Instead of its feet hasn't feather. Why? Instead of penguin hasn't feather in its feet, he can stand in the environment. Because the blood vessels bring cold blood up from 2 feet, and the other blood vessels bring warm blood down 2 feet. We can see here the meeting of the warm blood vessels and cold blood vessels, and the warm blood vessels transfers heat to the cold blood vessels. The warm blood vessels transfers the warm blood vessels transfer the heat to the cold blood vessels. Talk about these examples. Now I wanna ask you a question. What is the meaning of adaptation? Adaptation, it is characteristics that help living organisms survive and reproduce in the environment. And divide adaptation into 2 parts. Structure adaptation, part of body. Behavior adaptation, action which animal or which any living organism do. And thank you. Below this video to make subscribe and like. Please, thank you. I will see you soon.